In this tech tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite a client to their coaching program or service that you're providing inside the Client Hub. So what you want to do is you want to start by creating a template of a program that you want to create. So when you do that, you click on new program, you give it a name, let's say branding coaching, and then you'll give a description. You'll choose how many sessions there are. There has to be a minimum of one. You could do however many sessions. If it's a coaching program, which is a 6 weeks program, you could do 6 or whatever. Then you would click on create program. Once you've done that, you can give a description to the program. You can add any resources that are included as part of it by simply ticking any items from the library. And then you will create the checklist for their onboarding and assign it to the client like so. So you will basically add the checklist item, you would click on client, and you will continue to customize the checklist as you see fit. Assuming you have done all of those steps, let's just delete this one because it's just a demo. Assuming you've done all of those things, then you're going to go to client, and then you're going to click on invite client. You're going to paste in the email address. You're going to give it a name if you wish. And then you're going to click on enroll in the program. Now, in this case, I have a program, which is I'm giving them access to, which is this one. And then you can choose to give them access with a chat, where you can come speak with them in the chat, or without. In this case, it's going to be without. If you've connected System IO, you will then are able to add a tag. In this case, I'm going to call it custom AI template. That's the correct tag. And in System IO, I have the automations where basically they get a welcome email and all those good things. And so I'm going to click on send invite. And now they are being invited to this program automatically. Let's just say I want to look for this client. Then there's a couple of ways to do this. Number one, you can search right here by seeing the date added, and you can look for the newest, and then you could see it on the very top like so. Another way to search for it is you can paste in the email address or the name, and you'll be able to click and find it right here. Now, you can then change the display name and add a phone number and all that stuff, or they could do it at their end as well. That's also doable. However, the point about this is this is visible for you to customize those things only if they're not a coach themselves. If they're a coach themselves, you're not going to be able to customize this because they will be able to customize their own profile. Now, another thing that you can do is you can actually go to clients and you can click on the pin, and then you'll be able to pin the clients right here. Now, I recommend that you don't pin a client, but you actually pin by program. So you click on program, and then you can see that you've got custom AI template, which is this one. You're going to click into it, and then you're going to pin an engagement, a program. And so you will see all the programs pinned here, or if you want to pin clients, you'll be able to pin those as well. Now you'll be able to see the session, note, private notes, checklist, all that good stuff is all going to be included because this template was already made. The links are added automatically, the checklist steps are already here, and I don't actually have to do anything else because it's all already here. So that's how you invite a client to your own client hub. So that's how you invite a client to their own hub so they could start the coaching program.